This year's National ICT Week has been nothing short of but amazing. It's been so exciting to be part of the Dronehub team. Considering that this is my first time being in an exhibition like this, I would like to thank Dronehub for the wonderful opportunity to connect with different people, different organizations and companies to see that technology and ICT as a whole is taking space in the world and is being prioritized everywhere. So, the most surprising part of the exhibition is the fact that people move from wherever they are to come specifically to the Dronehub stand. I'm so excited to see that people are particularly interested in drones, in other tech products, and it's exciting to know that somebody will move from his or her home just to come to our stand. I don't take that opportunity lightly. So we thank all of our attendees, everybody that has passed through our stand. Thank you so much for interacting with us. Thank you so much for also showing interest in drones and in Dronehub and everything we do as an organization. So this surprising thing has also been my most exciting thing, to connect with people, to talk to them, to tell them about drones and what we do as a company. There's nothing short of exciting about this. I've learned so much from this exhibition. The fact that people are open-minded and curious about drones. They want to explore the subject of drone technology, drone products, drone solutions, drone software. It's amazing the number of questions we have received from different kinds of people, and it's an area that we can certainly explore as a country. And people are particularly interested in drone training, drone piloting, and this interest or this curiosity will bring more visibility to our company. So this is something that has intrigued me. The fact that people are so interested in drone, considering that is an area out there, but is not fully explored by many. So to have a few or more people wanting to know the subject of drone, it's an interesting topic we must consider. I'm going to be the bridge to connect people and businesses with drone technology for work and life. I would focus on providing the best results for clients and then the industries we serve, which will be centered on security, on excellence, and then on integrity. I'm looking forward to providing efficient and more effective ways of using drones or applying drone technology and solutions in many of these industries that we serve.